Why does Allah say good men are good women? Surah An Noor. Today I will discuss why Allah mentions Surah An Noor in the Quran. Good men are for good women, and bad women are for bad men. I want to tell you what I understood from reading the surah. Everyone may have different opinion. The speech explores you to reflect on the role of faith in making life choices, not just in relationships, but potentially in other areas as well. For those unfamiliar with Islamic teachings on love and marriage, my speech offers an insightful glimpse into these concepts and their significance within the faith. Let's have a look. Good men are for good women. Good women are for good men. And bad men are for bad women. This is Allah's decree for men and women, Surah An Noor. Here the standard of good and bad is the purity of the heart. Surah Baqarah is the best in the sight of Allah, in those whose hearts are clothed with fear of Allah. He who has the fear of Allah in his heart will never consciously do anything outside of Allah's commands and prohibitions. This is the garment of fear of Allah, or Taqwa, in the heart, and it is the most important garment that Allah mentioned in Surah Baqarah. A good God-fearing woman is God's mercy in this world, and a worldly woman is the punishment of Allah in the world. It is God's command. On the other hand, a sinister bad man, Haram for a chaste woman. A holy woman can never accept a bad man. This is Allah's order. Bad women, Allah's decree for men, is that a bad man will take a bad woman, or a polytheist woman, and a bad woman will take a bad man, or a polytheist man. This is the boundary line given by Allah for the beloved and the unloved of Allah. Those who make an exception to this are undoubtedly harmed in the world. Live a turbulent life. Quarrels, mistrust, and suspicion are always between them both. Suffers the punishment of hell in the world. This is the result of not following the boundaries set by Allah. Allah knows best what will happen in the hereafter. Only when a good, honest man and an honest woman get together, there will be a peaceful life. There will be no strife, corruption, unbelief, doubt, because they are both beloved servants of Allah. There is no crookedness in their hearts, whose heart is clothed with fear of God. Only they keep each other all their lives for the pleasure of Allah. As a result, Allah creates endless love for each other in the hearts of both of them, which never ends. Our hearts may yearn for a certain path, but true happiness and a peaceful life, according to this perspective, lie in aligning ourselves with a love ordained by faith. This journey may not always be easy, but the rewards of a partnership built on shared values and devotion to Allah can be a source of immense joy and fulfillment. Remember, even if your current path doesn't seem divinely ordained, there's always hope for growth and finding the love that aligns with your faith. Let this be a reminder to keep your heart open and trust in the guidance of Allah. Thanks for watching, stay with us, and be part of a Breaking Bias. Allah Hafiz.